Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to exit or turn off a kids mode in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Here see my phone. I cannot go to settings or I cannot use navigations and etc. Okay, I cannot use my phone normally because kids mode is enabled. Only these apps have been enabled for usage. Okay, so if you would like to exit from this kids mode, just go to this three vertical dots and click on exit, and it will ask your pattern for confirmation and authentication. Okay, give your confirmation with fingerprint or pattern unlock, and yes, now it has been removed. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove kids mode in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.